Hello and welcome to 9428. If anybody's wondering, well, where's the 9? A kid last week broke it, but official number of the room is 9428 on a Carnival Celebration. This is an ocean suite. We just got into the room now and I'm going to show you around a little bit. This is the bathroom. Very nice and spacious, beautiful. I definitely enjoy the extra space. It's a big difference between the suite and the balcony when it comes to the bathroom. The bathroom is, as you see here, full-size sink, plenty of space, toilet area. The shower is ginormous. This is the room right here. We were greeted with some fruits, got champagne and a bottle of wine because we are back-to-back guests. This is the cooler, and then this is the room, the suite. And then we have excellent closet space. Check this out. You have lighted closet. You have your safe, your racks, bunch of hangers. Ladies, big plus. Guys, big plus too. If you like dressing up on this side, check this out. And then we have this side of the room where this is a full-size luggage. It's a big one. I'm putting it there so you guys can see what the space is between the bed and the wall. And then we have a TV here. This is the bed. Very nice and spacious. This is a space here. So that's the reference between bed and wall. I'll move it back over here so I could show you the rest of the room. This is the other side of the ocean suite. Room 9428 on the Carnival Celebration Ocean Suite Stateroom. You have this other section here which has lamp. You have nice sofa, pull away, and another TV. Now, this is the balcony view. Room 9428 on the Carnival Celebration. It's a bit rainy this morning, but this is the view. It's not the best weather today in Miami, but this is what it looks like, the view from this balcony. Got plenty of space, very nice balcony. You do have, it's raining at the moment, they're refueling, but this is the view. South Florida. I'm headed back inside because it is raining at the moment. Back inside I go, and this is the room. Say hi, Juana.
Hi.
Hey, love our room, huh?
Yes.
Suites are excellent.
Living the sweet life.
Living the sweet life. Sweet or
Life.
sweet? Both. I guess it works out. Sweet life in a suite. So guys, thank you guys for watching. This is Carnival Horizon.
Oh, Carnival Celebration.
Oops, sorry.
Carnival Celebration.
Carnival Celebration. Ocean Suite 9428 signing off. Bye-bye now.
Bye.